Holmes. Mewn na hi. O, mae heibio pawb! O, ne lawio fanna. Ac pro o bosib. Ryw apel hanner gobeithiol o Ddiwan Griffith yno'n syllu.
Mae'n taro i fraich o'n i, mae'n taro i ysgwydd yn atho. Bel yn bownsio i fyny.
Bale fewn i'r cwrdd, Cosby fan hyn! A gath i heibio'r postyn o Ben Nash.
Ti'n disgwyl gol. O, ti'n gwybod be, mae rai fo ymosod ar hwnna well.
Gwaith neis gan Bradley. Ac at y bachgen ifanc mae Malkin. Dechrau gêm am y tro cyntaf. Am y rediad gan Malkin! Nawr te, ydyn ni'n gyroni honna fo gol. Oedd yr ergyd gan Williams mae'n cael ei chlirio. Ac un o gyfnodau bach da i'r ymwelwyr. Yr ergyd ydy'n gampus ac arbediad da. Ac pro sydd ddim di sgorio gymaint o goliau a fydde'r Fflint wedi gobeithio. Ond oedd rhaid i'r golwr ymateb yn sydyn fanna.
Golwr yn neud yn ardderchog o dda i gael y drawsffordd i neud yr arbediad.
Neb di sgorio yma ar hyn o bryd, mae hynny di newid!
It's a gol.
Malkin ar gol mae ymdrechion o di heiddi i gol gyntaf o dros gei Connah.
Danny Holmes efo'r croesiad a Malkin bach ifanc. Fan hyn mae'n cael ei dalu. Fan hyn i ddod yn ei sylw ydi sgorio goliau. A wedyn mae'n benderfynol i gyrraedd y bel na yn uwch na'r dyn tala ar y cae a penio'i syth i fod i gornel a draws y golwr.
Nawr te, oes un gol arall, da chi'n teimlo yn lladd y gêm a mor gynnar y hyn yn yr ail hanner. Williams. Mae'n mor anodd, hai Bale fan. O, na chi Bale wych i mewn. Malkin oedd ar ei ffenni unwaith yn rhagor. Dwy Bale dda, ynde. Dwy Bale dda mewn a Malkin ar ddiwedd y ddwy. Williams. Mendes yn chwilio am y briwsion. Morris, Holmes, ac ers y gol, mae Cei Connah wedi edrych yn dîm gymaint gwell. Aaron Edwards, mewn at Mendes. Mendes nath ar ryw hanner llithro. Mae'n gyda dda i gael honna mewn. Sut arosodd i ar cyfle cynta. Ond yn y diwedd, mae'n cael i'r hoi mewn i'r hwyd.
Ti'n siŵr na o randio, sti?
Ac os mae horan ydio, mae di brifo, cyn i weld, ie, fo ydio. Ail gol mewn tridiau.
O gyda fi'n cliw, ond o'n i'n gwybod yr unig ddyn sy'n taflu ni fewn fel ar bostyn bella i sgorio gol. Fysa George o ran pwysisio i fwyaf. A mae'n ffidil ar y to. Neu yn y to.
Alan Morris, mae o di chwarae'n arferchog hefyd. A mynd y gyfle fan hyn o bosib am goron ar y perfformiad. Wel, na chi ffordd i gael eich cyflwyno i uwch gyngrair Cymru.
Ia de, yr eilydd. Hogan.
Is that the difference? They were more experienced in this league?
100%. Obviously, I'm new to this league as well. I've got Danny Harrison and Steve-O and Jay Owen. You look like when you play Bala. You know, are they a great team? No, but they've got players who played in this league for so long. Connah's Key are the same. Do they play great football? No, they play effective football and winning football, which is great. Again, they've got people who've played in the league for years. TNS again, but probably the only team really who've got players who are outside of the Welsh system. And at first, I think it shocked a few people. But then quickly realities come back in that they don't understand what this league's about, and it's not this is not a pretty league to play in. It's not total football. I just think it's men doing their jobs week in, week out, and that's how you get results in this league.
It was difficult to play on the pitch. You know, Fflint, very workmanlike, work really hard, very strong at what they're good at, which is direct play. Dangerous in both boxes, and we knew that if we were going to get anything out of the game today, we had to match their intensity and their work rate and win the battle first. I thought that we won the battle in the end, and then we felt that we'd have moments of quality that would be enough to win us the game. And I think that you know we're really pleased with the 2-0 victory, and especially when we're missing 4 or 5 players. And I've got to give a lot of credit really to my group, because that's the third game on this pitch in 5.5 days, and especially over the Christmas period, that's something that, you know, credits to the players and the staff that we've got, because it takes some doing to do that.
Top 6 out of the question now for yourself?
Yeah, as I said before, it's realistically yes, but we just go to the next game. As I said to the coaching staff there, was are Connah's Key and TNS games going to affect our season? Don't believe they will. I think the Aberystwyth and the Pontypridd game before the split will. So my main focus is to focus on them games. Not to say we're not going to win the games against them, but the reality is, you know, if TNS and Connah's Key beat us, is that going to affect us? No. If we beat Aberystwyth and Pontypridd, does that push a dent in them? Yes, 100%. So we're always in the reality of world of football.